Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it should be something that takes us no longer than 15 minutes because we are getting rid of these ugly halogen housing bulbs. The whole thing. We're gonna replace it with LED ones. I know it's not really important, I know it doesn't matter, but for me, I like the things in the little details. I don't know about you guys, but personally, I don't like how the halogen looks at night. And you can't see it during the day because it doesn't matter. But at night, it doesn't look very good. It's like a yellow, stingy, old looking color. But I'm hoping replacing with these LED ones, it'll look good. It'll look bright. It'll shine. Good for me. Good, actually, not good for me because the cops can see it at night.
See what?
My license plate clearly if I speed. But oh well. All right, let's bang this out.
Your tail lights are broken.
All right, so there's gonna be 4 pop clips, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 behind the trunk latch. So we're just gonna pop those out. Okay, now all you gotta do is just pull this back, and bam, that's what the. Oh, and then there are 4 nuts that we have to take off to pop out this trim piece right here. So let's bang those out. So we got 1 out and there's 4.
There's the other one over here.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can pop this trunk piece off. And then we can reach the housings. Okay, now we should be able to just pull this out. I'm scared. Why'd I make that noise? Yeah, that's it. There we go. Now we just take the bulbs out and all we do is twist and pull out. And that's out. And then there's this clip on the side. There's a clip on the side right there. You just push this in together and you pop it up. Like that. Boom. Out. Super simple, super easy. Now we're gonna take the new one. We're gonna wire it through. Is it wired through?
Yeah, you can push it down.
I'll push it down though. Okay. And then, oh shit, the thing came out. Just push it and it should pop into place. Except that it's not. Do I have it on the wrong side?
Oh wait, yeah. That makes sense.
It's still not popping through. See? Okay, so all you gotta do is just push it really hard. The clips just click automatically. We just weren't pushing hard enough earlier. I want to race. Who's racing?
Trucks.
All right, so then we just take the old halogen bulbs out. No, you just pull it.
Oh. Yeah, there's no.
Okay, so after you pull it out, you just take the connector and you plug it in. Plug it in straight.
Doesn't matter which way.
It does, but we're.
Okay.
I mean, just plug it in for now because the polarity could be wrong. Is it in?
This is in. Yep.
Okay, and we're gonna plug the other one in.
There we go.
Now, before you put anything back together, we are just gonna turn it on and see if it turns on.
It works.
And they're on. Bright. They're really bright.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we know it works, we can just put everything back together and we're good. Yeah, everything fits good. Now we're just gonna put everything back together.
That was easy.
Yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys again in the during the nighttime. Right now, this is everything that's on, so what it would look like. And even during the day right now, it already looks like 10 times better. I'll show you again when the sun goes down. Whoa. Dude, there's like a wall of light on the floor. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's so bright that it's not even focusing correctly. Whoa. Guys, I gotta say, it's the little details that make a big difference. For most people, they don't care, but for me, the little things always make the biggest difference. Wow, look at that. Just look at the amount of light it's emitting. Woo. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to update. Just a little update. Yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be soon, I hope. See you later.